Assalamu alaikum. I'm Umar Sultan and you are watching Umar Pias Academy. Some of the people do not know how to multiply positive number with negative numbers. Therefore, they make mistake while solving mathematical problems. In this video, I have arranged to solve this problem, and I will tell you multiplication of arithmetic operators plus sign with minus sign. So as you see on this slide, that when we are going to multiply negative with negative, we get positive. And when we multiply positive with positive, again we get positive. When we multiply negative with positive, we get negative. And when we multiply positive with negative, we get negative. So now I am going to give you some example on these rules. As you can see in this slide, I have multiplied plus 5 with plus 7, and resultantly I have got 35, because plus always gives rise, multiplication of plus always gives rise plus number. So plus 5 multiplied by plus 7 always gives rise plus number, which is 35 here. Similarly, if we multiply plus 6 with negative 9, so plus and negative multiplication always gives rise negative. Therefore, multiplying plus 6 with minus 9 gives rise minus 54. In this way, when we multiply minus 6 with minus 4, so by the multiplication of minus with minus, we get positive or plus. Therefore, minus 6 multiplied by minus 4, we get positive 24. Don't mind that we do not put positive sign with positive numbers. In this way, when we multiply minus 9 with plus 2, so minus and plus, we get negative or minus. So by multiplying minus 9 with plus 2, we always get minus 18. Here I have described another rule of 1. When we multiply every number with 1, we get that number itself. Similarly, when we multiply every number with 0, we always get 0. So don't forget to remember these rules as well. And in this video, we have just described only these rules. Inshallah, in our next video, we will describe some further rules and principles of mathematics. So you stay with us and don't forget to subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos. So till next video, it is Khuda Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum.